guys, welcome to a new video. On today's video we are going to work on this iPhone 11 back glass repair. We're going to use the laser machine for this repair. We're gonna put it to the test and I'm gonna let you know, or you guys will see, if this machine really helped on this repair or it's just a total waste of money and time to get this laser machine. We're gonna go in detail on doing this repair. Stay tuned, let's go. Grab our phone and walk away. Here we have our machine and I already have set up for the iPhone 11 back. So we're just gonna lay down our phone right here. By pressing here, the machine is gonna focus, you know, the distance between the phone and the laser. So that's how it works. Right, also a little tip I can give you guys for the experience I have with this machine: just cut a little pieces of tape and cover the camera. That will prevent damage if there is any mistake on the cutting. So guys, we have everything set and all we gotta do from here is push start. Don't know how to describe it. It's a very pleasing feeling. Just look at the laser cutting the glue, burning out the glue, and you can also feel like a burning smell. Okay guys, to protect ourselves for the fumes and smell, we are going to use a fume extractor. As you guys can see, right here in the corner was not aligned completely, so that's why the laser came and cut on the wrong spot. So that's why you gotta be careful. Always watch what the machine is doing, and you can move it and adjust it as you go. What I noticed doing the back glass covers is the laser never cut in the same pattern. All the time for different models it changed pattern. As you guys can see, a finish on the top, and now it's doing a second run by itself. It's not always like this. Just to make sure this thing is cut completely, we're gonna go and do the second one. We're gonna go twice on it. Alright guys, let's take a look what we have done here. Alright, let's see. As you guys can see, the laser skips all the dangerous areas. Maybe there is not a shield behind this area, so you know, it can be a little flex cable and the laser skip that, so it prevents for breaking that. If you guys don't align the phone perfectly, you can just cut on the wrong spots. As you guys can see right here in the corner. Learn from my mistakes. I always say watch the video before you attempt any repair. So anyways guys, like, we have this phone already cut with the laser machine. Now we're gonna go to the bench and see how hard it is to remove this glass after the laser machine have done its job. Let's do it. Knives right here and a razor blade also, it's gonna help me. I'm going to use one glove, even use some glasses if you can. So, oh, there you go. I can feel something is cracking. There you go. Ooh. You see, that's what I'm saying. This glass, it just goes flying. All right, so you guys can see, we already have a little piece already falling apart. It was not that difficult though. Let me lift another piece. Oh, there you go. It's coming apart. So that's just the beginning, so don't get too excited. We have a lot of work to do. All right, we're gonna keep digging on the same way we did. There we go. I mean, I'll give you that the glass is coming out pretty easy. You can see like all that burnt adhesive I can probably say is the adhesive or even the color. As you guys can see, the color is being burnt. So I'm gonna switch to the razor blade and see if I have better result. Oh, there you go. Another piece is gone. So I know this is a really long process, as you guys can see. All right, we're not hitting anything right here. Basically, the laser already did that part of the job for us. So all we gotta do, like, kind of go around and removing the pieces of glass. So as you guys can see, woo, you see, it was too much force. It couldn't handle it, but there you go. We have that big piece out. It's like a boomerang. Let's take a look at the progress we have done so far. As you guys can see, we have pieces of glasses around here, and I'll see some red over there, and we're pretty much on top. We have like 3/4 of the glass already removed from this one. We're getting to the harder part from what I've been heard or see. We're getting to the hard part, so let's keep going. Alright guys, like I told you, at this point we're going to use heat to remove this last part. As you guys can see, it's now broken right here in the middle, which it's going to be a little bit hard to remove because this glass looks pretty thick. So let's see how it goes. Look at the thickness of that glass by the camera. It's double the thickness of the regular glass, the whole other part. So you guys can see it's breaking all the way around, but not right there in the middle. So I have to watch what I have to do right here. That glass is so hard. As you guys can see, it'll start to give up, but just after I'm cutting it on pieces with this. Alright guys, our progress is like the third part of the nightmare of camera ring glass, double thickness, whatever you want to call it. Let's keep going on this. All right, guys, as you guys can see, we have removed the nightmare of the camera ring glass, and now I'm gonna go with my surgical knife and like basically scrape all the little glass leftover on the edges. You see, I have leftovers right here. I'm gonna go all around that and make sure everything is nice and clean. That's gonna be the last part of this, and clean it and install the new glass. Let's do it. This video is taking very long time, but it's gonna get good. Let's do it, guys. Here I have the brand new glass. As you guys can see, we just gotta order it, and we got the new piece. We got the one with the bigger holes, so we don't have to remove anything from here. It will just go exactly with this on top of the camera lens. But as you guys can see, that's the nightmare of replacing the glass on an iPhone 11. All right, it's nothing but difficult. So I mean, we got a pretty good time on this area right here, but when it comes to the double camera, it's just a nightmare. I go straight forward. This video is to show you how hard this repair is. So good luck if you want to attempt it, but I'm not so pleased with the result. I mean, I'm kind of pleased with the result, to be honest with you, because this phone is gonna look a lot better with this single piece. I mean, with the glass not broken, of course. But you guys know like how hard this thing was. It take a lot of time. But all right, let's finish with the last step, and we're gonna put some B9000 all around the frame and in between, so you know, just make sure that glass doesn't fall off the phone. All right. All right, right here we're gonna go on some crazy pattern. Not really. We're not gonna follow any guide. Just put enough so that glass doesn't fall off. I'm gonna go like this, you know, kind of in the same pattern it came from the original Apple. As you guys can see, we put a good amount of glue. All right, and now we're gonna put the Vader mask. There you go. Let's just push it in, and that's it. Let's see how it looks. It looks pretty good. There we go. So we're gonna put some clamps just to keep it on place for some times. It would be nice if you can leave it in there for like 1 hour. Oops. For like 1 hour, you know? It wouldn't hurt anything. All right, guys, we're gonna leave it in there and we'll be right back. And here we are. Take a look. It looks a lot better, definitely. Look, this is before and this is now. So definitely is a lot better. But through the whole video, I think you guys have noticed, you guys have seen how difficult this repair is. It's not something, and you can judge if the laser machine is worth it or not. I will highly advise you when you work on these kind of phones. I did it this way because I wanted to show you how is the outcome. But you can always remove everything from the phone to make sure nothing gets broken, the motherboard gets damaged. But as you guys can see, the outcome, the final product is not that bad. It comes out really good for how it was. This was a pretty difficult repair, to be honest, guys, but I'm glad we finished it. And okay, now is your choice. Buy or don't buy the laser machine. I think it's worth it because on this model we had a lot of trouble here. I haven't made a video for previous models, which is a lot easier. But anyways, guys, this is what it is. Okay, guys, that was the iPhone 11 back glass replacement. So that's all it takes to get this phone fixed. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the support in my videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow.